everybody, my name is Advis from Wonders with Advis. Today I'm going to be showing you a dairy farm and it is called Rawabi. We boarded the bus and here's a guide who helped us understand everything. The Rawabi farm started in 1989 with only 500 cows, but now it has over 16,500 cows. With over 9,000 milking cows. Cows came from Germany and Netherlands. Did you know cows have ear tags? The ear tag allows farmers to record a cow's body temperature, health and medication history, and even the composition of each cow's milk. The farm was gigantic. This is the area where the little calves are kept. Then we moved to the area where the cow's food was kept. Food was stored in big silos. Here is a milking parlor where cows get milked. Here we are at the dairy plant where milk is processed. Come with me. This is a diagram of how milk is coming to our store. Here are all the different types of milk that Rawabi produces. Here are the flavored milk: chocolate, mango and strawberry. All the raw milk is filtered first. Second process is storage at very low temperature. Next process is pasteurization. After that, homogenization, and finally standardization. Then it is made into a variety amount of products like flavored milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, etc. Then they get packed. All the bottles are sanitized. And then there's the labeling. Can you see the caps moving on the belt? The whole plant is so systematic, hygienic and well coordinated. Fun fact, Rawabi serves more than 1 million customers per day. Milk cans are loaded in these vans and distributed all over UAE. I had a fantastic day at Rawabi farm and I enjoyed a lot because I wanted to know how milk actually gets made, and I really like the milk. I learned a lot of things this trip. I even got a gift hamper and I love Rawabi milk. Subscribe, like, share and follow my Instagram. Bye.